I would have died for the name Jesus when I was till Yahweh opened my eyes. Yahweh says, I revealed myself unto who the Father will. So the Ark of the Covenant was not taken away because nobody laid claim on that, even 2,000 years ago, up till today. And nobody made a note, not even Josephus, who was the main scribe, Jewish scribe that time, said one word about the Ark of the Covenant. Now, my suggestion, listen to this. I say there was no Ark of a Covenant. Prof, are you half crazy? No, I'm not. Are you totally crazy? No, I'm not. But I'm not stupid. If there were an Ark of the Covenant, somebody would have made a noise about it. And they would have rejoiced. Somebody would ran and touched it, fell before it, worship Yahweh, worship Yahweh. Nobody did. Not one word. Now my theory is that from the time 70 AY, before BY, before Yahweh, when King Nebuchadnezzar from Babylon was on his way to Jerusalem, the priest's sons took the Ark of the Covenant under the foundation, the tunnels, the caves, under the temple, and they hide it somewhere. They hide it in such a way that up till today, in this 21st century, it's never been found. What was the reason for having a temple? It was to house the covenant, the Ark of the Covenant. What would you do if I say that from the time that the second temple was built by Israel, the second temple was built by Israel. We're going to work on the times, the 70 weeks of Daniel. When they moved into the temple, the second temple, that's the temple where Yahweh worshipped in as a small boy, and as a grown-up man, and as the Messiah of Israel, and the Redeemer of the Gentiles. Up till that day, even in the time of Yahweh, there was no Ark of the Covenant. The Jews was living a lie, the Israelites. The high priest was living a lie, because there was no Ark of the Covenant. You understand what I was saying? And that's why the moment that Yahweh died, the veil torn into two, and Yahweh's plan was to show to Israel and the world that there's no Ark of a Covenant. When King Nebuchadnezzar, when Titus 70 AY, after Yahweh, burned down Jerusalem, or let me go back, burned down the temple, did he find the Ark of the Covenant inside? Come. No. There was no Ark of the Covenant. Because if there was an Ark of the Covenant, he would have taken it to the Vatican in Rome. And there's no Ark of the Covenant in Rome, in the Vatican, the head of the Roman Catholic Church. Nothing. He burned the temple down to obtain the gold that was in the bricks and in the wood. Because all the woodwork, cedar wood, all of that was covered with gold. So where is the Ark of the Covenant? Since 570 before Yahweh, the Ark of the Covenant was hid, and even into this 21st century today, it was never ever seen or found. Not once. People can have all different stories, but it is not legitimate. The Ark of the Covenant was never found. Now, as we continue the study, we will find out why was it necessary to have a temple in Jerusalem, or two temples on two different time spans in Jerusalem. It was supposed to house the Ark of the Covenant.